Jacob. Where are we right now?
We're at Motorbike on flat.
Hagrid's. Think we're gonna have fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Oh, waiting for the doors not here?
We're in the line still.
Yep.
Pretty cool stuff around here.
Oh yeah.
Jake.
Come on now, get a move on. Big trip. Great lesson. Everyone here? Right. Follow the path.
Awesome. Jake, look at the dragon eggs.
Oh yeah.
See the dragon eggs?
Safely, loose articles are not permitted on the motorbikes. This would include bags, backpacks, purses, wands, oversized cameras, creatures, souvenir cups, mud, and any other loose articles that cannot comfortably fit into your pocket. Please be advised that all lanyards must be tucked into your shirt, and the hats must be removed prior to boarding. If you happen to have any questions, please speak with the nearest staff member.
Are you a nearest step? No, you're not.
No, I'm not no stay up.
Used to have windows open.
Watch out the cave. Cave.
Okay.
In my pocket. What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Absolutely.
That was it.
Fantastic.
Just good.
Yeah.
Nothing more than that. Just good. It wasn't terrific. It wasn't awesome. It was just good. Oh, it felt good to be on a motorbike again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Motorbike Jimmy is coming back.
Yay! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see more of these guys.
Bye.